town. I stomped my feet into the ground. Heard you met some guy at a party the other night. He was the coolest guy you'd ever met. He made you laugh and he smoked cigarettes. When we all hung out, I didn't feel the same. He was self-involved and acting